with the first of punches, Zuki. Left hand open. So first, Jodan Zuki. It's a face level punch. Pitch. So, knee. Sa. Yeah, okay, you can just turn to the 45. Partial 45. So just see. While taking this punch, you have to rotate your wrist simultaneously and extend this as well. Okay? So it's almost backward and forward, both hands, like this way. So this extend and come forward. Same way, you have to rotate this hand, rotate together. It's in the center and extend. Now, how you identify it's Jodan or Chudan? So you can get the clear idea. So, above the shoulder of the practitioner, we call it as a Jodan. So this is the Jodan. It's a shoulder level and above. For Chudan, while we practice, so that we call as a Chudan. So, okay, let's start with the Jodan Zuki. 4 counts with full power. 1, 2, 3,